Okay. Yeah. So let me just show you something. Um, yes. This indicator down here. Yes. The MACD and the RSI. It shows good entry points if you're using 1 minute time frame. Yes. This is a 1 day time frame. This is the other. This is moving average from the main chart. This one, this one is moving average. So every crossover it shows the movement of the market. So I have three moving averages here. There's a white one which shows the movement of the market, and there are these which show they also show the movement of the market, but they are categorized in different forms in different ways. So when the red line is under the blue line, it's a downtrend. So it's a downtrend. So we do this. This is a 1 day time frame. So let's go to the 1 minute time frame. I show you. So like here, it was down. It has switched. It has gone up. It shows an uptrend. And from here, it shows the entry point just here. It shows an entry point. This entry point, this one, the one which is going up. It shows here is an entry point, and there's also another entry point just here, and which moved from there going up. Yeah, looking at how the trades were going, yeah, it shows an uptrend, and the market was going up, was moving up. So if this was to be seen in a 5 minutes time frame, yeah, 5 minutes time frame, you can see the trends how they're going. It was a massive downtrend coming from there, like from the entry point here in 5 minutes. It was a downtrend, which was accompanied by an uptrend, which started from this point going up. So this is where these they touched each other. So if you are into long trades, you can go in with the long trades from just this point where these they touched each other, then it started forming an uptrend going up. Then here there was it was testing the currency, it was testing the prices just here. This point was testing the currencies. Then from there you see it continues going up, it continues going up. The 5 minutes time frame. And if you check the 15 minutes time frame, it shows yes from the time they crossed they started going up. So here it's they crossed just here to make a downtrend. So it wasn't a massive downtrend, but yes, there was a downtrend just here after a cross. So it just crossed on the downtrend just for a short while, and then it continued again. But you can't read this in 15 minutes. But if you are trading, then you enter. If you're trading spikes, you enter using this after the cross. After this one, the cross. This was the first spike. From that spike, it continued. It showed you that the market was going to go down. From the curving of the white moving average, the way I've put it, it shows that. So these strategies they can work together, or you can stick to this only this the RSI and the MACD. But as far as I'm concerned, I've seen these are working just okay. So yes, so we're going to we've approached the what we're going to buy. So yes, we're going to buy. So I'm going to buy because these they have touched just here. Yes, they have touched just here. There's a touching just right here. So it shows an uptrend. So we're going to count, I don't know, maybe 5 or 3 5 or 3 candles. Let me see how far they're going to go, because I normally enter just from here. At least if you see from this entry point just here, how they moves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 candlesticks. So it has made one candlestick, but again, it's moving. It's moving. So how much? 18. So that's a good entry point just there. You wait, you trade just from there. After the cross, but this cross is not nice because it's showing the moving average. The MACD is showing it's moving down, unless that cross where it's showing that it's going up when you enter, when it's going up, like just from this point here, just from this point here, because anytime it might spark, but from here going up, yes, it's a perfect entry point. So I'm just going to make at least 3 candlesticks. So I've already made 1, 2, waiting for the third one. We move out of the market. It's like 30, 40. Another candlestick is forming now. So 1, 2. It looks like it's going to spike this one. Anyways, I'm doing this so that yeah, you can at least have faith in the market, like this strategy is working now. So like perfect entry points like this one is a perfect entry point you're seeing. It just made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this one is just going to go in with 1, 2, 3. After that, I'm closing. After that, I'm closing. Then I show you the profit you're going to make with a 2.0 lot size. That's a candle there. So it has made another candlestick at 66. Yeah, $7 now. Okay, so that's the way it is. That's the way it is. So this one, it can go up to the 70 mark. I'm sure I need to put another one. I need to modify this so that I should be on the safe side. But the best entry points are these, like this one. So the best entry point when it's underneath, at least underneath. But also this one, yes, you can at least enter 3 candlesticks, or you can go as far as 5 candlesticks. After that, just perfect. You see, if you see how it's going to go for you. You see how it's going to go for you. But I would prefer the entry point from this one after the cross. After the cross, you find that it's a long trend. So this one is still moving. This one is still moving. It's a trend, but it's still moving. And after this small spike here, it shows that it's going to be a long one. Looking at how this is moving, it's going to be a long one. Anyways, so that's the thing I've had for you. So these are the indicators I'm using right now. It's moving average, 3 of them. The configurations are here. The first one is 100, is 0, smoothed, closed, and that. And the second one is 120, same, 4 pixels. Just change the colors. And this one is 13. Yes, relative strength indicator, you just put 6, and you put the levels 25 and 75. Then MACD is these, you just leave them default. You have to change, you just change the pixels. You just put 2 and 1 pixels. The main has to be, if you're using a MetaTrader 5, which is white, you put it in white. If you're using it in black, you put it in black, as I'm doing. So if I put it in white, this is what it's going to show. It's going to show these white lines. As you can see, these white lines are going to be showing here. It's going to be a little bit difficult for you. So you have seen how far it has gone. It has gone up. It has gone up like that, and it's making a cave. So yeah. So this MACD, put it the way your MetaTrader is. So I'll put it in black so it shouldn't be inconvenience. I just see the lines the way they are. So yeah, that's it, guys. That's it for now.